Anyway, whatever is going on now, see the case where I say, yeah, Pubina, yeah, I say, true you na even yen papro nontino. I say, your false on a ja, ye you through or say, yeah, you be yen papro na, yeah, sana I. Me, I don't see any case in whatever NDC for Mickey and answer Mahama and say if say or fools and you any right here. I think say Mahama so I the same mistake maybe because what the oba on the bar Ibrahim Mahama and to Abama no who in the ban in the ban cry the same that Sharif Mahama no.
Sharif, yeah, Sharif.
Yeah, I don't see say or no who do any political appointment be right. And so yeah the net
Yeah.
one our presidential jet in that. Ne fada ọkọ na akọ bi da nti no ɛno nso ɔbɛ die na ase na mahama bɛka kyerɛ ɔwayosi ɛyɛ mi sɛ wo nte ghana hɔ anaasɛ ebia wagyimi kakra sɛ ghana is performing better bɛyɛ na ghana is performing mo tena hɔ na mo the word maame nka sɛm wei every ghanaian biara yɛ selfish one thing na mahu wɔ ghana foɔ ho no nti no ɔmo pa aban a ɛbɛba so a tɛm deɛ ɔmo benya kwan adi nkɔ asɛm Ghana for typical suban no abaya obeba obede nneɛma bɛtoto kwan mu ama nneɛma yiyi no Ghana for mpe gye sɛ nea ɔbɛba a yɛbɛgyaa nneɛma gu na obi odi nkɔ asɛm na nka ɛba ne sɛ na nka ɔayi yɛyɛ ayi na obi a tibɔ nkɔ so biara na yɛafa no na yɛama no position yɛnhwɛ sɛ obɛtumi ayɛ adwuma hwɛ Ghana nnɛ light of 33 34/7 de tem biara yɛdum light wonya light 1 hour wobɛdam 3 hours 4 hours sɛ ɛno na yɛpɛ ɔho because you feel say you need you a bit to get longer time pa and Ghana say per say yeah because your citizens no or more ya adwene no wɔ most of the citizens na adwene wɔ akyi ma me mbra ma asɛm a meka so CJ case no yɛnhwɛ sɛ
Mm.
ne nti a NDC for prevent sɛ ɛmba problem no sɛ ɛba a ɔmo anim bɛgu ase because of nneɛma no you know, kwadu a mo de born no. Mu nyinaa mo yɛ victim of those kwadu no. Ɛnɛ Sam George ɔba na anu ada obi a ne wife hwɛ no. Ɛnɛ hwɛ kaa Sam George dem. Yebisa na ɔsɛ deɛ obi agu ne ho fi. Ɔno onim sɛ yebu obi ho fi. Toro bɛn na Sam George ni no Ghana. Ɔho. Ɛso wenum nyinaa no ɔmo te hɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ nneɛma a ɛyɛ. Ɔmo yɛ ne ɛyɛ. Nti no
Mm.
that's how it is. Say ye na no say near pen na Ghana for near pan yen saka ntino. Akwa say you should keep quiet and suffer. Ntino
Yeah.
whatever ye go to be no. That's what you want. And ye nyan no. Ntino
Mm.
yem fan
Meda
sa
ase.
but see the case in there. Me say minimum na all make sure say obe sign it no sign it we are on resign because
Mm.
these people are not people you have to work with.
Yeah.
Because no, they don't have any good name be our mother be man until or sign the deal we are now I resign. No the position I then. I'm na whoever person mother ne kono. No more than I now. Me do we
Mm.
as
Meda ase. Odifo. So that is that about the CJ's issue. CJ wants an open hearing, open to the media, open to the cameras. All Ghanaians should listen to all the arguments and decide for themselves. John Mahama ni NDC for ni government see there be one person is secret. Now obia feel say ono na why wrong ebi akobo drama ya chi no. Say anka public I said that's where you disgrace them more. And if you are saying no, it means say more money say you don't have any case. So let's move to the next topic. Rebecca wants to me Sami Jemfi Gold Board, right? Now, the reason why I wanted to speak about Sami Jemfi's Gold Board is that, you see, in this life, there is nothing new under the sun. Everything that we are seeing has happened before. Especially Ubagana Ha. Anything you might hear, we have had a shade of it before. Now, Sami Jenfi Gold Body, I think they passed the law at the latter part of March. And then they gave mining companies and people who were into buying and selling of gold a month. And then after that, they revoke all the licenses. Now, you Hana Yeti say a press conference because now then, of course, we see Sami Jenfi's Gold Board task force has arrested some Indians for illegal gold trading. Now, press conference now say no. Some discussions went on, and I say questions and answers because sooner. The answers are quite some way, and I want to play that for you. And as I'm playing it for you, I will explain to you why these answers are some way and what the actual implications are. And then I will explain to you why me when I hear cocaine bust, I'm not excited. When I hear this bust, I don't care because I will explain that to you. So let's quickly hear this.
No, still can. Right. Yeah, we all
Please, we just want to have the.
just want to have them.
Prince, please, kindly. So, Prince. All of them.
So I'm trying to look for where the guy was speaking. They asked him a question. I think it should be somewhere here. They were asking.
Like now under the new laws, which is solely the reserve of Gold Board. So as a result of that, they were arrested and then arraigned before court. And as it stands now, because what happened with regards to them did not occur at the time where we had asked that foreigners should exit the local gold trading market, we have decided, upon hindsight, to allow them, as in repatriate them to their country of origin so they can unite with their family. And that is not to say that any foreigner who will fall foul to the current rules of engagement will be let to go free.